A 911 call comes in from your school. Your dispatcher knows the address. The first responder still has to find the room. Most school 911 calls are medical. A seizure, a heart attack, a kid who needs help right now. The faster someone gets to that room, the better the outcome. That's what Alert is built for. The moment a call is placed,
911, what's your emergency?
Alert identifies the exact room and lights it up on your building's floor plan, right here in seconds. At the same time, Alert sends out notifications by email and by webhook to tools like Google Chat with the room, the building, and a link straight to the live floor plan. Your nurse, your front office, your security team, they all see the same thing at the same time. When it's resolved, the call gets logged and closed, so there's a record of exactly what happened and when. Alert, part of Ambit's full-stack life safety platform. One vendor, one platform. Request a demo at ambit-llc.com.